Hello everyone and welcome! Do you remember our bestseller DN43ADJ, the adjustable panel stop? Today I'm introducing its brother, the DN44 in nylon, a new panel stop with a minimal design, non-adjustable, more compact and more cost-effective. Thanks to the integrated fin, which acts as a spacer, the panel is easily centered during installation without the need for additional spacers. It allows panels to be locked and fixed without screw guide bushings, preventing screw tips from protruding inside the unit. The panel stop is available in different colors. From today, your panel installation will be simpler, more cost-effective and faster, with no need to drill the panel. Remember, no more holes in the panels, no more bushings, and no more internal caps to protect against protruding screw tips. A great cost-effective solution. Just order it and try it out today. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye bye!